Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to upscale your image by up to 400% using Ner0 AI Image Upscaler. Now, on your screen, you can see the original image on the left and the upscaled image on the right. You can clearly see the difference, right? The best part? I'll also show you how to get 500 online AI credits for free. So let's get started. First, visit the official website. From there, we need to download the installer file. So, follow these steps to download the Ner0 AI Image Upscaler software. Once the file is downloaded, locate the installer and run it to install the application. When you open the app for the first time, you'll see a login page. So, simply click on Login or Create Account. Here we'll create a free account using any email address. Follow the steps to complete the registration. As you can see, we've successfully logged into the app. Now, we need to visit the special promotion page from Ner0 software. Here, you'll need to enter any email address, and they'll send you a personal activation code as part of their giveaway license. Once we've received our activation code, open the Ner0 Start application. We'll use the same email address that we registered with earlier. Then, enter your password and click Login. Okay, now find the Enter Activation Code option on your left and enter the key for Ner0 AI Image Upscaler. Next, restart the app. At this point, we should have the Pro version of the app, and we can use the online image upscaling feature with our free AI credits. Next, browse to select the image you want to upscale. Then, you'll see two options: local image processing and online image processing. Local image processing is pretty slow. It takes around 13 to 15 minutes and uses your CPU and GPU intensively. However, if you use the online processing feature, it only takes a few seconds. If you need more privacy over your files, choose local mode. But since we have 500 free AI credits, we'll use the online upscaling feature. You can also create multiple accounts using temporary emails to get as many AI credits as you need. Also, there are different modes of image upscaling, so choose whichever suits you best. As you can see, the image upscaling feature works really well, and you'll notice a significant improvement in the quality of your image. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.